Okay, Scouts, I may have fibbed a little bit. There will be a clue before this first Morse code lesson. The clue is as follows. This phrase starts off an important scouting phrase, a series of words. The phrase includes 3 words. The first word has 1 letter. The second word in the phrase has 5 letters. And the third word in the phrase has 2 letters. So turn your attention to the light, and we'll begin tonight's Morse code practice. Here we go. Those are 3 words. Try to translate them if you can. And then I'll come back in a video in a few minutes and tell you what those words are. Thanks a lot and good luck.